Hello everybody. We got stock CEPU. There's a couple of things that I like about this name. If you notice, he has been downtrending, and we have a new low at 701 on the year, and this is a 2-year chart. Right now we have a ascending channel formation here, and if you can see here, it's been holding the trend. Now we have a crossover for the Bollinger Bands right here. This is one of the things that I like about this name. And also the fact that it ramped up today and was able to break a very important resistance right here in the channel and went over the 50 period moving average. If you notice right here, the high of this candle is 2 cents over the $0.5 resistance. Right now we have a very important range to pay attention to because we have a important resistance right after 100 period moving average. If you see here, it was very consistent when it rejected the 100 period moving average, and this is when we have this flush here, and now we are trending back up. It seems like we're gonna roll over to the upside with a breakout on today on increasing volume. So I'm gonna be paying attention on this name over the next couple of days because it might present itself to be a good opportunity to the upside all the way to where the 100 is sitting at 921.